Mr. Dallas Enterprises, Inc. Present.
Devil Homer steals the principal's job / grounded.
Hi, I'm Devil Homer, and today I'm going to steal the principal's job. Ha 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 ha. First, I will get out the intercom. And now to act like a principal. Here we go. Mario, report to the principal's office right now.
Devil Homer, why are you the principal?
Don't worry about why I'm the principal. Anyways, you are expelled from this school.
But I didn't do anything wrong.
I don't care. Now get out of here before I call the police.
How in the world did I get expelled for nothing?
Mona and Jimmy T, report to the principal's office right now.
Devil Homer, why are you the principal?
None of your business. Anyways, you are both expelled for making love in front of my face. Get out now.
But we didn't do anything wrong.
Mr. Thickley, report to the principal's office right now.
Devil Homer, why are you the principal?
My reason is don't worry about why I'm the principal. Anyways, you are expelled for not thinking straight. Get out right now.
But I didn't even do anything wrong.
Pea-shooter and Sunflower, report to the principal's office right now.
Devil Homer, why are you the principal?
None of your freaking beeswax. Anyways, you are both expelled for having sex in front of my face. Get out right now before I call the police on you.
But we didn't even do anything wrong.
Mr. Nurse Orange, report to the principal's office right now.
Devil Homer, why are you the principal?
None of this is important. Anyways, you are expelled for not keeping up with yourself. Get out. Right now.
But we didn't even do anything wrong.
Oh no. It's Principal Eric.
Devil Homer, I'm getting complaints from the teachers that you are expelling the students for no reason and you stole my job. Is this tour?
Yes, it is.
Devil Homer, I can't believe you stole my job by expelling the students. That's it. You are suspended for 74 weeks. You are also fired from the principal. Go home right now.
Devil Homer, how dare you steal the principal's job by expelling the students for no reason? You know that this is only the principal's job to expel or suspend someone's school. That's it. You are grounded for 371 months.
Now go to your room right now, or else we will send you to North Korea.
This has been a Mr. Dallas Enterprises Incorporated production.